Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Urban Armor Gear cases. We do have the Plasma series and we have the Monarch series for your Google Pixel 4 XL. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Plasma series and the Monarch series. You guys seen it on my channel a million times, and if you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and you will see more cases and reviews just like this. So we have the Plasma series case, which is a very legendary case. I've had this case for a very long time for a lot of my devices. Big shout out to UAG for actually sending these out to me. And this is for the Pixel 4 XL. This is the ash version. So you do have a clear one, which is called ice, and then you have an ash one, which is more like a grayish tint, just like so. Nice little cardboard cutout here. And this is what the case looks like all by itself. You have a nice little texture on the power button. Volume up and down definitely looks good. And then yes, I do have the phone. So let's just put the phone inside here. This is the also orange Pixel 4 XL. Now it does make it look like a different color, which is pretty good when it comes to the ash version. I do have the ice version right next to me, right over here, which will probably make it look a lot better. We'll see that in a couple seconds. Volume up and down, extra clicky, and the lip action is definitely on point as well for the camera and for the front as well. Let's see how the cuts on the ports look like. Looking pretty good as well. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the Plasma series case. Let's see if I could pop this out and put on the ice version. The ice version is more of a clearer taste, so you could definitely showcase the color a little bit more, which I enjoy. Sorry for that. Alright, there you go. Definitely showcases more of the Oso orange, or as I call it, the Oso salmon. Alright, so you let me know, guys, down in the comments, do you like this one right here? Look pretty good. Alright, so let's clean this up and let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so here we have the Monarch series case in that blood red and black. Alright, so let's just pop this baby out. Call this a Spider-Man. Shout out to Firetrap. And this is what this one looks like. Definitely has that type of leather look. You have the honeycomb pattern on the outside, and you have a nice little pattern here for shock absorption. Also with the other one, you have the same effect. But here's the actual case itself. Let me know what you guys think. Very similar when it comes to the Plasma, when it comes to protection. It's pretty much the same amount of protection for the lip, for the front and the back. The ports look absolutely perfect. Volume up and down is clicky as always. The power button is definitely more clicky than the Plasma. But just look at the material. A lot of people always tell me that I should take my time when it comes to this. So you got some screws there, if you guys are interested to see what that looks like. And that's about it. The quality is absolutely perfect. Here, let's see what it looks like with the phone actually on. There you go. So if you guys liked this video, hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of UAG cases for your Google Pixel 4 XL. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys think. Like the Plasma, or do you like the Monarch? Two of my favorites. Later.